Oh, what do we have here? Today we have Cop's daughter sneaks past TSA with Xanax. Ends badly. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it.
2025. Airport officers were dispatched following reports of an intoxicated passenger.
Damn. Not gonna lie to you, the moment I get arrested and it get put on YouTube, I'm going under a fucking rock. I'm probably not. I'm probably gonna be super excited to react to myself. I hope that never happens though.
Well, Gina, the way you're acting right now,
she is fucking hammered.
Because you seem like you're intoxicated on something. Right? So
she is.
Have you had anything? Don't just be honest with us.
I will
What?
shots in the airport. But
What time is your flight today?
She need to put glasses on. At least if you're gonna go somewhere fucked up, at least put some dark shades on. Keep a low profile. Get the munchies or something, you know?
Gina, when's the last time you drank something?
Damn, Gina!
Have you been drink? Did you have some drinks last night or today?
Yeah, she did.
Just be honest.
no, not today. I just saw my sister in Orlando, and that's probably.
Okay, well, the way you're acting, like I said, they're not going to let you fly. So, what time is your flight today? Because right now, if you went to the gate, they probably would not let you board. So, but do me a favor, finish tying your shoe. We don't want you to trip.
What I'm telling you is that if they don't let me board my flight, it's gonna be a huge problem.
Well,
Why is it gonna be a huge problem?
so
I know. I will do anything to avoid.
Okay, we'll start with tying your shoe.
okay, go ahead and tie your shoe so you don't trip.
And then we'll go from there, okay?
Let me see if I can get a CCS.
It's gotta be super embarrassing when you are at the airport and you got the cops in front of you, because everybody knows when you have the cops in front of you, you're probably getting kicked out.
Right, I can tell you right now, the way that they're acting, they won't let you fly because they think you might be intoxicated, and they can't have you up in the air like that.
She is definitely intoxicated.
Do you have anyone we can contact?
I don't. It's okay though. It's my
Okay.
fault. It's okay.
Who are you flying out with, first of all?
You can tell in that right eye, she's feeling it. Whatever she took, she's feeling it, and it is, yeah.
I'm not flying with anybody. I'm flying alone.
No. What airline are you flying with?
So I'm going to Orlando.
You're going to Orlando? And who are you flying to get to Orlando with? Like
My
Delta?
sister.
Which airline? Like Delta, American, United? Southwest. We just want to make sure.
Love Southwest, by the way. I flew on Southwest my whole life.
I feel so bad about this. I'm so sorry.
We just want to make sure you're okay, all right? All right, once she does, ma'am, you're going to have to go onto the other side of security. Either get a cab. I'll see if I can get a CCS to help you. Or you can go sit on the other side.
What's your name?
My name is Officer Davidson, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Davidson?
Yep.
Hey, that officer over there looks like he just had a hardcore nap, and he looked like, why the fuck did that get interrupted?
I am going to write a good review for you.
Thank
You're
you, ma'am.
amazing. I really appreciate you.
You want to sit down over here? I'll give you some first class ride, okay?
I can walk.
No, I think you should ride this, all right?
You should take a seat. 'Cause you were
That's what he said. You should definitely ride it.
stumbling earlier. We want to make sure you're okay. You're not, like I said, you're not.
Okay. Treat you like a queen. Come on, sit down.
Okay, but can I talk to you about...
Huh? Yeah, sure. Go ahead and have a seat. Yep, tell me everything. Let's go.
It's not alcohol. Because if she was that, let's say if she was that intoxicated, you'd be able to smell it.
Right.
You
You're
know,
not smelling anything.
nothing.
There's no smell. Her eyes are dilated. And basic. From what they're saying, whatever she took right before she got on this plane. I think it was probably like not a Xanax, but something to help her be calm.
Miss Gina,
She's just a little bit too calm.
we can't sit here all day. I just need you to do me a favor.
I'm not asking.
No, I'm asking you. I'm asking you to get up so you can start walking, so we can get you out of here. Okay?
Alright, so I'll agree.
All right.
Isn't that ironic? A police officer's daughter.
Alright.
All right. Well, do me a favor. Can you start walking forward a little bit? Because you are wobbling like no other. So do me a favor. Take a seat right here. You don't have to sit back down, ma'am. Look, you're not in trouble yet, but I need you to start
You're about to be in trouble if you don't fucking listen.
listening. You can call your father and I'll talk to him. And then he'll probably talk to you and not in the way you want to be talked to. Or you can just hop in this chair. We'll take you on the other side. You can sit down there. No. Well, then you need to stand up and show us that you can actually walk without any problems. Because right now you've wavered. So stand up. Stand up, please. I want you to walk to that officer right there.
He's definitely talking in his dad voice because he's ready to end this so he can go back to his nap.
There.
Or he might be a little hungry.
You can't, ma'am. Excuse me. Okay, just sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down, please.
Stop.
Ma'am, sit down right here. Ma'am, just sit down right here.
Exactly. That's why he asked your ass to sit down.
There you go.
See?
Whoa.
Ma'am, listen.
Did you just try to strike an officer? Charge number 2.
Man,
Whoa.
First off, you
What the fuck is she doing?
stop. Want to be in handcuffs? Let's go.
Go ahead. No.
You got your... All right.
Stop.
Just do it.
All right, come on. We're under arrest. Come on. You're under arrest for public
Now you get to walk.
intoxication. Stop resisting.
No,
Give me your hand.
Please, no. Stop.
Go ahead.
No.
Hit the latch. Hit the latch right there.
And
Perfect.
you call me Dad.
Whoa.
So you gonna run with the cuffs on. I don't think people understand, like, when you get caught at the airport, bro, you are catching a federal offense. And you're gonna get put on a no-fly zone. You're probably gonna get kicked out that airport for what, a couple years, maybe life, depending on if they feel like being assholes that day. But who wants to get kicked off on the best way to travel? Like, an airport is the best way to travel. I'm gonna be on my greatest behavior because if it's not on the water, I don't want to fucking be on no bus driving or in my car. I'd rather take a plane, bro.
Please.
Show me one white female 1095.
No.
Oh, that's got to be an uncompromising position for the officers. Glad they got body cams.
Yes, yeah.
I just want to talk to my dad.
She's gonna have to undouble
I want to talk to my dad, please. I want to talk to my dad, please. Yeah, we can.
Why do people go to the fucking airport like this, though? This is just embarrassing, bro. Like, the fact that you went here like this is just crazy.
It's okay. Come on, chill
Oh
out.
my God, I need help.
It's the cops, baby. It's not just some random people. You pissed off the cops at the airport.
Help me talk to my dad.
She's kicking.
This is definitely Princess. Daddy's Princess. Just acting like a spoiled brat.
There you go. There you go. All right. Listen. You got that. You got that. Here's your shot.
Here's what it is.
Get your feet over here.
Help.
Push your up.
Yeah.
Help. I asked you for this. I asked you for this. Call my dad now. I swear to God, my dad will you. You have no idea who the you're messing with. My dad will think
Just because your dad is an important person doesn't mean you have the wherewithal or the right to just act the fool and be publicly intoxicated at an airport with people trying to travel with kids.
I'm being stupid. My dad will literally you. So worry about it. He will you in the next week. I promise you.
He's not.
Hit the elevator.
Okay.
He's not.
Where's my phone?
Your phone and stuff is in here. Let's go.
Okay, good.
Dude, there's no APs here. Sit down, Miss Gina.
Shut the f up!
Just,
Help! Somebody help!
Miss Gina!
No, stop!
Miss
This
Gina!
is so wrong.
We're done with you. So you're gonna sit down and you're gonna listen to this officer. Sit down, put your feet up, right now.
No, no.
Do you think we got an AP upstairs?
Help! Help! Please, help, please.
Go get an AP, man.
We
Let me know if there's one upstairs or not.
Even when somebody is this small, when they don't want to be restrained, they are a pain in the ass to keep down.
Dude, can you stop?
No! No! No, you're treating a woman like this. What the f is wrong with you?
We're trying to be nice to you.
No, you're not.
Yes, we were.
You're nice. I don't need to hear you right now.
We're not gonna kill you.
Go ahead.
Just relax.
Somebody help! Help!
Just different color.
Make sure you take a photo with that.
How did she get that to the chick?
Here, sir. Good point. Good point. Okay.
Is it?
Yeah, Xanax. It's a Xanny. So she took a Xanny with alcohol.
That's why she was
She's
so
so jacked up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
16, 13, 30.
And she doesn't have a prescription bottle.
Nope.
Why are you putting me in handcuffs?
That's why they always tell you don't drink
Let me talk to my
and take
father.
pills.
It was, and then other things that
Let
we
me
found out
talk to my
afterwards.
father, please,
I won't go
right
into
now. Let
detail,
me
but-
talk to my father, please. I'm a young woman. I need to talk to my
Yes, sir.
father. This is so
No,
wrong.
we're in Georgia, Savannah,
This
Georgia.
is so wrong. Please, I'm not trying to fight with you. I just want to talk to my father. Please.
I understand. Sir, the only thing you do is you can contact the jail.
Please,
They
please.
we tried to work with her.
My grandfather is Chicago PD, and so is my father. So they know what's up. Just please let me
You can
speak.
That is embarrassing. I would not be bragging about that at all. I would have kept that shit to myself at this state that I'm in.
To him.
You know how embarrassing this shit is? Oh my God. This is so embarrassing, bro.
Your dad told you to let. What did your dad say to
My
you?
father.
What did your father say to you?
I'm.
What did your father say to you? Did he follow our instructions? So right now, just sit here.
My father did not say that. Are you fucking retarded?
That's what he told me before you
Put
go.
in the cup, man.
Yep.
No.
I got it. You just make sure. Listen up. Listen up.
Stop. Give me my phone. Let me talk to my
Sit
dad.
down.
Let me talk to my dad, please. No. No. Let me talk to my dad.
We also need to search her pockets, just in case she might have extra drugs. Yeah. She's good.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
No. 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 No.
Trying to get her in the back of a cop car is like trying to get a cat through the cage, out the cage that just got neutered, bro. Like, what the fuck? was about to get neutered. That's crazy.
No, please. Please. I need to talk to my father. No, what?
They about to restrain your stupid ass. Watch. You finna be in restraints. Keep playing.
I gotta go. I gotta.
Grab a leg.
There you go.
Here.
No.
I want to talk to my dad. Come on, I'm a young girl.
This is sad and pathetic.
No. You. I just want to talk to my
Gotta sleep out. Go. Got it. Just like. All right.
They got the best workout of the day from this one person. That's 120 pounds.
Push all you want. Push all you want, madam. You're adding more to your charges.
I guess what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Go ahead, hit me. I don't care. I don't care.
Man, restrain her ass and call it a day.
The woman was charged with obstruction, public drunkenness, 13 counts of felony drug possession,
Damn.
dangerous drugs not in original container,
Damn.
and drugs not in original container.
Damn. She not never gonna be able to make it to the airport. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.